he's got outside.
Look at that chop top.
This is going to be dangerous.
Yeah, so we're in Jersey, by the way. Good place, Jersey. Gotta love it. I haven't been here in a minute, but this is not a bad place to come back to. Got a big giant bull here. Oh, there's the yellow Mercy. Oh my gosh, yep, there's the gray one too. These cars are nice. Look at the Maybach. That's a 62, I think.
I know. That's a long wheelbase.
That is huge.
Oh, I want
the F40. See, it hasn't been disclosed on this channel, but my dream car, the thing that I really want to buy, is like an 02 to 06 yellow Murcielago. You know, the one on the cover of, you know, Hot Pursuit 2? It was from like 2002. That car to me is the greatest thing in the world. End of story. And they have one here for sale. I can't buy it today, but maybe in the future.
The mini Lambo.
That
thing's awesome.
Yeah, and
You ever seen one of those?
yeah, literally. There's only 6 of these in the U.S.
Randy, you got to take this thing on the turnpike. I'm sure it would handle phenomenally.
2-cylinder. Pretty badass, right?
I love it.
That's awesome. Can you sit in there? Can you sit there?
No, I can't sit in that.
Won't even try. Stay close.
Oh shit, look at it.
2 of them.
11 horsepower, so it's pretty quick.
So what you thinking?
I'm thinking it looks beautiful.
Yeah, the guy that had this car, I told you, was a hairdresser.
Yep. I think it looks perfect.
Must have been one hell of a good hairdresser. It's a good looking car.
No.
I mean, I'm not gonna lie, I like that a lot better because Need for Speed Hot Pursuit 2 did it in for me when I was 10. I mean, it did. What am I gonna tell you?
All right.
I believe I do.
You can do it, Randy. So you checked out your car. Are you happy with it? What do you think?
I'm very happy with the car. The car's absolutely spotless. It's just one little minor chip no one will ever see. Car sounds great, starts, everything's beautiful, all the functionality of it's great. Totally excited to get it outside. Sooner the better.
Yeah. I mean, it sounds good. I mean, is that the factory exhaust on the car?
I'm thinking it's factory. I don't know.
It sounds really, I mean, the quick little revs you did, it sounds really good for a factory.
It might be bypass valved. I know that they did that with Mercy's, where you can actually kind of fake straight pipe it, but I think we're gonna put the full IP exhaust on this thing, and it's gonna be a monster. It's not yellow though.
It's not yellow for me.
Did you sit in your yellow fancy
No,
car?
I
This
didn't
is your
sit-
dream car.
I didn't
isn't it?
sit in it because I thought the guy was gonna chop my head off.
No, not at all, Jim. It's your dream car, Jim. Sit in your dream car. Oh Lord, these cars are so easy to get into.
This is so easy to drive. I have so much visibility.
Mm-hmm. Right, especially out the back.
Yeah.
This is strange because they actually tinted. Oh no, is this the carbon fiber one? No, what did they do here? This is glass and they tinted the glass. That's strange.
Wait, they tinted the glass?
Yeah, in the rear.
Didn't even notice it.
I don't know. I think it's a clear glass. Or is this an...
No, I think that's factory, dude. It's painted.
I thought it was carbon fiber or glass. But then again, I may be wrong.
That's factory. That's just the top. Oh, is that live bidding?
Yeah.
Oh, that's funny.
See, look next, a Raptor, Ford Raptor coming up. That's what I want.
Gotcha.
Well, Miley. So I'm next to a 40, man. How cool is that, right?
Not too shabby. At what point in grade school do you figure out this is what I'm going to do for a living?
I didn't. I was a trooper. But I always loved cars. So I wanted to do something with cars.
Well, no. I mean this guy. This guy. Like,
Oh, you mean the
narrating the bidding, yeah.
Hey, hip hop, dibby, dibby, dibby. Can't you say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5?
Yeah.
Did you say 6?
Yeah. You know, looking at this now, you don't realize it, but these are some huge tires. You were just saying, what are these things for?
They're $7,000 on eBay.
On eBay. I mean, you can't even get these new? They don't make them anymore. What's the tire size on these bad boys?
Something ridiculous. It's like 3. Let's see. Yeah, 345, 50, 17.
345, 50, 17.
Made in the 80s and 90s. So like a good investment is actually buy a new set of LAMBO 02 tires and hold on to them. They will go up in value.
That's an anniversary car with less than 1,000 miles on it. Most of these cars have very low miles on it, but I mean, look at this Countach. 5,000 Quattro Valvole. Come on, can't beat it.
It's got the phenomenal US spec bumpers.
Oh yeah, well those protect a lot. Beautiful GT2 up top. 993 Turbo S. Oh no, it's a turbo, not an S, I'm sorry. Here's a 62 Maybach. Look at this door. Look at this beast.
Dude, that door is so big.
Nice. Look, it's got the beautiful roof that changes the light transparency roof.
Can I get in on the other side, or is it too big? Well, I don't even need to, because I could just step over you
right,
here. There's
exactly.
so much room in this damn thing.
This thing's insane. Yeah. Look at all the amount of wood that went into this car. I mean, it's amazing. This is like 5 trees worth of wood.
I mean, I could picture being driven around in this every day.
Yeah. Got a lot of room. This is like my wife's new Range Rover, though. It's got that kind of room. Maybe, you know, maybe about 3 or 4 inches back would be the seat, but it's almost that length.
Dude, this thing is so big.
It's crazy.
You know, guys, I really can't get over how big this Maybach is. It's 62. I think I might have found a replacement daily. But the problem is the back of it's so nice, like I don't want to drive it. Like I just want to sit in it and be expensive. How much do you think this thing weighs?
A lot.
Well, that I know, but I mean...
A real lot?
What do you think?
You didn't know that?
What do you think, like 6 or 7? I'd say 7.
I thought it was 9,000 pounds or something, 8,700 pounds.
Yeah.
It's got full lounge chairs and stuff.
No, dude,
I've had this for 6 years, bro. No, it's got full lounges, man, like full. You know, they go all the way back, all the way out.
Randy and I sat in this for a sec. This thing's hilarious.
I don't like to run it on its alternator. The alternator's 38 grand.
No.
Yeah, it's waterproof.
30.
Crazy. 38 grand.
Oh my god.
I can show Randy how cool he's gonna look. Watch, on the down end of the parking lot back.
That sound will make you smile all day long.
Well, I was just driving an Aventador, so it's like, it really is primitive.
Yeah.
Does that make sense?
Oh yeah, totally.
You know, because you have the SVJ. so-
Yeah. Oh, it's definitely.
That's what somebody said my SV is gonna feel like, man. They said my SV is gonna feel primitive. Is it that much of a difference?
No,
Because of
I
the
wouldn't say the
four-wheel steer and
SV,
everything?
the SV versus the SVJ. No, you wouldn't. You're not gonna. You're gonna notice the.
You want to
steering
read Brian Salamone's text to me? He says it's like driving a modern, like Japanese car compared
Right.
to an old raw.
Yeah, he just got his too.
Yeah.
It's thirsty already. Being in Jersey, did you not want to let them pump the gas for you? Or?
Well, same thing here. I don't know. He was kind of just standing there.
Because I think he ran out to, yes, I'm going to tell everybody about it.
Actually, I'm quite impressed. It's a big freaking tank. It's a 20-gallon tank.
77 on the dot.
Big tank.
The exhaust sounds very suppressed, very muffled.
Oh yeah.
Like compared to what I'm used to and what I hear on the internet.
Yeah, it'll be way louder when the IP exhaust goes on.
Yo, Novinsky. How does the card sound? Does it sound good?
V12, baby. Sounds amazing.
Got that on film. He's filming. having a conversation with him. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm gonna be 100% honest. I think we kind of got lucky. No one got pulled over because we really did. There were a lot of cops
Well, that
on the
one
ICC.
cop that we were kind of messing with the whole 200 was a Maryland cop. I thought he was out of jurisdiction. You know,
We
I
had-
think he could have done anything less.
Yep. How's it going? How's
It's
it
going
run?
good.
This has almost come off, man. It's pretty funny.
Yeah, it's pretty pathetic.
It's pretty warm too. And now she's in the garage. What are we gonna do when the SVJ's back? Gonna have to get a lift or something. Store the V12s.
What's that?
I don't know what you're gonna do when the SVJ comes back. You're gonna have to get like a lift or something. Maybe.
I'm doing a lift over there.
So that would be kind of funny. You have the daily driver Lambo here, the SVJ,
Well-
and then the LP640 up there,
That,
or vice versa.
that and the, well, this will probably go, maybe live over at the storage facility.
Yeah. What do you think we need to do to this thing?
Manual swap.
Manual swap. Well, with that being said, if anybody knows someone who manual swaps,
No,
and,
it's not going manual swap. I'm sorry, it's my car. It's not going manual swap. I love manuals. I have manuals.
Comments. Let's hear it.
Yeah.
Comment. Come on.
Yeah. Comment below.
With that, thank you guys very much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. We're trying to get to 1,000. We're almost there.
Subscribe!
Yeah, because otherwise I'm gonna get killed by him. But either way, thank you guys for watching. All of y'all have a fantastic day.